hard for me to believe, but I've been doing this for 46 years. And some of you who've heard me before are going to say, he's been saying the same things for 46 years.
We're marking Lew's 60th year on the faculty, which is wow. Nobody is going to exceed that. Nobody's going to approach that record. It's just amazing.
Everyone knows Lew Katz. Lew is an institution at the law school. He's an institution in the community. He's an institution in the national criminal justice world.
I think that Lew has remained relevant for 60 years, and he could probably go on to 70 or 80 if he was willing, just due to his passion and love for the law, his love for his students, and just that he is curious.
Lew is my mentor, and Lew is my friend. And I imagine, like so many who are here today, they all started off with Lew terrorizing them. At the forefront of everything he does, he's a teacher.
And to me, I'm still a student of him.
Professor Katz's dedication to excellence, mentorship of students and colleagues, and his enduring contribution to the university embody the very best of academic life.
A concept of the Fourth Amendment that says you keep government at bay, that government butts out of our lives unless we provide government with the cause and the justification for intruding into our lives. But the notion that we are kept tabs on every place we go, and that they can individualize that and single out individuals, is just so fundamentally inconsistent with that notion.
Lew was a pretty demanding classroom teacher. I mean, a lot of students, especially a lot of first years, would find Lew intimidating at the beginning.
During the fall, talking to my buddies I made in law school, they all raved about this guy, Lew Katz, a tremendous classroom teacher. He was a movie star. He was movie star handsome also. He had a mustache, long hair. He was cool.
Did you just ask me if I caught Lew in his dashing young man phase? He's still in that phase.
Lew Katz could go anywhere and do anything, but he chose to stay teaching the law. As he always said, the law was a basic fabric that held successful human beings together. He is certainly one of the most important people in my life as regards helping me pave a way in this profession. I come from poor and humble beginnings. I didn't have lawyers in my family. Other students like myself looked to him as a mentor, as a guide, as an advisor.
He was the professor that really cared, and you knew it.
He made a great impression. I knew that he loved the law. I think that also he cared about the rights of individuals, and I found his class very rewarding. And I think that it's even more critical now in this day and age.
His mentorship really guided us to lead careers of passion, purpose, principle, and service.
And I think above all, what Lew taught us was to challenge conventional wisdom and have the courage to challenge authority.
And I think because he kept his ear and his experiences so grounded to the community, what was going on in the legal field and the legal profession, he didn't stay in this ivory tower and just talk about criminal law, for example. He was shaping the practice.
The Cleveland officers who shot and killed Tamir Rice claimed they had ordered him 3 times to drop the realistic toy gun he was playing with. The existence of the tape totally discredits their claim. Without the video, though, the media and white America would have summarily accepted the Cleveland officers' account.
Lew is a beacon of what the rule of law is supposed to be. If Lew ruled the world for a day right now, everything would be fixed. And here's the best thing I could say in response to that. Nobody would be afraid to be in the United States if Lew had his way, because it would be a fair place for everybody.
I think Lew was a big believer in the strength of diversity and understood from his own background, as much as anything, how much that diversity means and how it strengthens the fabric of any society. Everything he did with respect to the LLM program, for example, and his other attitudes supported that kind of diversity.
He cared about every student in this program. He traveled to many countries promoting the program. And the success of this program is thanks to Professor Katz. Well, this program is the foundation of my career. Without this program, without graduating from this program, I wouldn't be able to become a lawyer here in the US.
What about the fact that he always gets better? And he always, I mean, that's what we should all aspire to.
I see some old friends here, many whom I've taught, and it kind of awes me today that to see people who would actually come back and choose to listen to me after all these years.
Lew and I were walking dogs. Everybody knows that Lew and Jen are dog lovers. And we were walking our dogs one morning, and we passed Saks Fifth Avenue. And as we passed Saks, Lew said, I need a necktie. I'm going to go into Saks and get a tie. I said, Lew, they don't permit dogs in Saks Fifth Avenue. And Lew said, just watch me. And as Lew proceeded into Saks Fifth Avenue through the revolving door, he put his sunglasses on, and no sooner did he get inside Saks than a security guard came up and said, I'm sorry, sir, but we don't allow dogs in Saks Fifth Avenue. And Lew said, oh, I understand, but you see, I'm blind, and this is my seeing eye dog. And the security guard looked at Lew and said, you have a Chihuahua for a seeing eye dog? And Lew said, what? They gave me a Chihuahua? Pause for a laugh.
Lew inducted me into the Society of Benchers. Back in the days when Benchers inductees used to get roasted, and he really did a job on me. Although I will say, he didn't go on as long as his dear friend Leon Gabinet would have, but still, he got me pretty good.
Everyone liked Leon, and he liked almost everyone. He was instantly my role model. And we became very close friends. And 50 years of students say, if it wasn't for Professor Gabinet, and he was encouraging to everyone, except he was the only person in the world beside my wife who could tell me I was crazy and I didn't have a chance when I ran for Congress, and they were right. And I'm sure they weren't the only people who thought that, but they were the only ones who told me that.
We are so incredibly lucky that we've had Lew for 60 years.
And I'm sure I'm joining a cast of thousands in thanking him.
He's changed lives, and not everyone gets a chance to do that.
Personally, I am deeply grateful for his impact, and I am proud to celebrate him tonight.
I am so proud and pleased to know him and to call him a friend. I personally, and many others I can tell you, feel privileged to have simply known him, and then to have had him as a teacher. Wonderful.